In this video, I'm going to tell you and show you everything that I packed for a tropical holiday on an island here in India. Hi, my name is Ivana, and on this channel I make lifestyle and personal development videos. In case you're not yet subscribed, you can do that quickly right now, but without further ado, let's just get into this kind of packing talking video, because unfortunately I was filming this the last moment while I was packing, and then the packing took so much longer than I expected, so I only got some clips here and there. However, I did want to make this video because there are a few things that I learned from packing for this trip after 2 years of barely travel, and I did want to share that with you guys in case you're planning some tropical vacation in the near future, or as a reminder for myself for my next trip. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. The first thing I always start my packing with are the basics and the essentials, which are toiletries, underwear, and sleepwear. For toiletries, obviously you're gonna go through your basics, your toothbrush, toothpaste, but what I also feel is important to bring is your own shower gel, at least in a mini, because sometimes when you're going to a tropical destination in particular, they tend to have not so nice, shower amenities and those kind of things. And in those situations, I really feel personally more comfortable if I have my really nice shower gel by myself. Also very important to bring our sunscreen, something that I did bring with me, but I didn't use too much. So sunscreen, definitely factor 30, 40, or even 50. Also for your face, definitely factor SPF 50. And then also I think a body lotion is very essential on a tropical island trip, because spending so much time in the sun, you do need to rehydrate your skin at the end of the day. So I also make sure to always bring some body lotion, which is really hydrating, which really helped me when I got badly sunburned. Now underwear, what I always used to do, but during this trip, this again got very confirmed for me. So I take a piece of underwear for every single day that I'm there. I double it because morning and evening, especially on a tropical island, you're probably going to take more showers than you expect. So double the days of the underwear, and then add 30% for unexpected circumstances, like for instance getting soaking wet in the rain on an unexpected rain day. So that is the calculation or the formula that I use for my underwear. Then it's also important, if you are carrying some tight dresses and those kind of things, for all my girls, to bring some how do you say that, flattering underwear for those very tight skirts and dresses. I think that's something also that's very important for a tropical island. And then getting into sleepwear, of course you're gonna bring your shorts and your t-shirt, the regular sleepwear, but also make sure, and I think this is also important, to bring at least like one pair of sweatpants or like long pajamas, and one warm like hoodie or something that you can put on top, because if the AC is blasting in the room, you're gonna be freezing. And I've been in a couple of those situations, so that's why nowadays I always make sure to bring one long pair of pajama pants and a hoodie or something, which I can wear throughout the night if I'm getting cold. The next three packing categories are island wear, casual wear, and dressy wear. With island wear, of course, I mean swim or bathing suits and some caps or hats that you may want to bring. I brought with me on this trip one cap and one like more dressy hat, and I used both of them. The cap, especially during the travel days, it was so convenient. And of course, if you don't feel like doing your hair or something, a cap can look really nice. And then the hat, the dressier hat, oh my goodness, such a save, especially when the sun came out. It was so nice to have a hat. Of course, don't forget your sunglasses as well. And then of course we're going into the casual outfits. So these are the kind of outfits that I would normally wear to, for instance, a breakfast buffet when I don't feel like dressing up, or maybe even a lunch, maybe somewhere in the evening where I just want to get something and wear casual clothes, and of course the travel days. So for the casual outfits, I feel it's super important to bring at least some sweats. I really like my joggers from H&M, which are more like basketball shorts, but they're made from sweatpants material. They are so freaking airy and at the same time also covered up. When I'm wearing casual things, I don't, I just want to be comfortable, and I don't want to be like in tight clothes or those kind of things. And then I also always bring a denim short with me, because that's just nice if you're like quickly going to the beach. You just put on your bathing suit and a denim short. So denim short, very, very important. And then I would say like some kind of like easy dress that you can just throw on, that doesn't take too much time to think of, and that is very comfortable in tropical weather. Because sometimes if you have dresses with like sticky fabrics and those kind of things, they can be, you know, they can have like a casual fit and stuff, but still be very, very uncomfortable. So I make sure to always bring a stretchy dress, preferably from some kind of cotton material that you can just easily throw on and go to your breakfast or lunch buffet or those kind of things. Super important, again, in the category casual, bring some long flowy pants, like at least wide pants, which you can also use if you get sunburned, which happened to me, and also which you can use on a travel day, because I actually used quite a lot of my clothes, and then on my travel day I was like, okay, what am I gonna wear in the flight, which is cold? What am I gonna wear at the airport, which is air conditioned, hence cold? And luckily I managed to pack like wide-legged jeans, which were also comfortable with my sunburned skin. So wide-legged jeans. I wouldn't recommend tight jeans because they're usually not very comfortable to travel. Any kind of like wide-legged flowy pants, bring at least one of those with you. You can also recycle them, but for travel they're super important. Sweatpants, yes, I had a pair of those with me. So I would say one pair of sweatpants and one pair of like long flowy wide-legged pants. Then getting into the dressy category, the easiest thing to bring on a tropical holiday are maxi dresses. I mean, you can even wear them to a breakfast buffet or lunch, to the beach, if you're going on an excursion, whatever it is. The only thing I don't like about maxi dresses is that sometimes you do tend to trip up with them. So even midi dresses, where the dress is like right under your knees, is super comfortable. Honestly, nothing tight, because if the weather is hot and humid, there are not many dresses which are tight and comfortable in that kind of weather. So I personally really tend to stick to flowy dresses. Long maxi dresses are perfectly fine. Just anything that is kind of loose and long, that works really well. Even the dresses that I have from synthetic materials, if they are flowy and have plenty of space, then they're still comfortable in hot and humid weather. Getting into the final three categories: shoes, extras, and electronics. For shoes, I can honestly tell you there is a very set list for me. Sneakers for the travel days. I always wear sneakers, because on a flight, if there is a fire or if any accident or crash happens, you really want to be wearing sneakers and not flip-flops. Also in AC, sneakers are so much more comfortable. Then just bring a pair of flip-flops. I always wear them in the washroom if I feel the washroom is not that sanitary, or outside if you're just casually going to a breakfast buffet, to the beach or something like that. You just need something casual to throw on. Flip-flops, you need flip-flops on a beach vacation. And the third one I would say is dressy sandals. And preferably dressy sandals which you can wear to the beach, but also for a nice dinner out. I found these really nice rope sandals from H&M, which served me so well on this vacation, or actually work trip. I could wear them easily to the beach. They looked so dressy even under a maxi dress. So even for the dinners, I felt really nice and dressed up. I would 10 not recommend you to bring any heels with you, because especially on an island where there's only sand and those kind of things, heels are not going to be comfortable unless you're staying in a 5-star luxury resort and the roads are paved, or you're just mainly staying in the hotel. But otherwise, do not even bother bringing heels. And also, actually, I brought these extra slippers which look a little bit more dressy, but I didn't wear them at all because my sandals were really absolutely a 2-in-1 solution. Casual, but also more dressed up. So I would definitely recommend you to find those more dressier sandals which serve more purposes, because that way you can also save some weight in your luggage. I had to pay overweight in the end, which was not that good of me. But yeah, the next time I will leave out those dressier flip-flops and just go for my dressy yet casual sandals. Another final category which I feel is important to mention are the extras. Bring a nice mini boom box with Bluetooth connection to your phone. It's nice to listen to the music in the evening or in the morning if you're just, you know, in a casual, fun mood. And then I feel another thing that's important and extra is maybe you want to bring your own steamer or your iron. Actually, the steamer is lighter, hence why I carry it. Some places they don't have irons, so then if your clothes are all frumpled up, you do want to have something with you to, you know, make them a little bit more representable. So I do always bring my own steamer, which is just made of plastic. I will link that one actually down in the comments, down in the description below, as well as the other things that I can find online. Finally, electronics. Make sure that all your electronics are in your hand luggage. But if you are carrying a drone, especially here in India, make sure that it is in your main check-in luggage, because they won't usually allow you to bring that on a plane. Do take out the batteries. All of the batteries need to be in your hand luggage. Super, super important. If you have any amazing packing hacks for me or things that I should know, let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to put a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's free. You can join 2,600 other subscribers, and then I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.